In today's video, I'm going to show you a few basic strengthening exercises that will help target the dog's hip muscles. So for the first exercise, this is called Stair Loving, and you're going to need either a small step about 2 to 3 inches high for your smaller to medium-sized dogs, or for a Labrador size or above, you can use a regular stair step. So what you're going to have them do is come step up with their front feet onto the step, and then as I'm luring him, I'm keeping the treat a little bit above his nose and back towards his face so that he will shift weight onto the hind legs. If I hold the treat too far forward, you can see how he shifts his weight forward onto his front legs. So keep the treat close to them and slightly elevated. Have them stand here for about 15 to 20 seconds. You can do longer as they get stronger, and then have them step off. There you go. Perfect. This exercise is called sit to stands. The goal of this one is for them to push up with their hind feet without pulling themselves forward with their front feet. So start with them in a sit position in front of you, and then when you bring the cookie down to lure, bring it just off of the end of the nose and up enough so that they'll push from the hind end. Sit. And then ask them to come back to a sit. Ideally, you should only have them take one step forward with the front feet, or even no steps at all. Good boy. Sit. Good job. So start with about 5 to 6 of these a day for the first few days so that they don't get too sore. And then as they start to build up strength, you can slowly add more reps. So this exercise is called lateral stepping or side stepping. This will get their inner and outer thigh muscles. So you're going to have the dog in a standing position, and you're going to stand perpendicular to them. You're going to take the treat and lure it slightly away from you as you slowly step into their space. And what I'm doing is just gently nudging him to get him to step sideways. So you're going to go 2 to 3 steps one direction, and then step around to the other side, and then slowly work your way back the other direction. This last exercise is called 3-leg standing. So this again is going to take a point of support away from their front legs and have them have to carry more weight through their hind legs. So you're going to have them in standing. For the dogs that no shake, you can tell them shake or paw, and then have them lift a foot. And then I'm just going to hold it for 3 to 4 seconds and have him balance. And then I'm going to ask for the other paw and do the same thing. And then you're just going to alternate back and forth. In some cases, you've already taught your dog to sit before they shake, so if they keep defaulting to a sit, what you can do is just hold the treat in front and slowly pick up one foot to take that point of support away. So if they keep wanting to try to sit with you, don't actually call it sit or paw, just lift up a foot to start with.